pancake without flour, delicious and very easy to make. It's way better than the traditional one. Let's start in the blender adding 6 eggs, 50 grams of Parmesan cheese, a cup of tapioca, salt, black pepper, a cup of water, and let's beat everything very well. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. Now, in a frying pan, we are going to put butter, and then let's put a cup of our batter, okay? Fry it on one side and turn it around and fry on the other side. There's no secret here, guys. You're gonna make the same process that you would do with a regular pancake. The good part of this one is that you don't use flour. It is gluten-free, so it's good for everybody. Now I fried some onion, garlic, and now we're going to prepare the filling of it. After frying the onion and the garlic, I added some chicken. It's already cooked and seasoned. I also added some corn, 200 grams of heavy cream, 200 grams of cream cheese, and the filling is your desire, okay? What you want, what you like, you can decide it. I finished it with paprika to taste, a little bit of black pepper. I put a little bit more of salt and parsley. Our filling here is already done. Now you just have to take these amazing pancakes and fill it. Look how beautiful it is, guys. Very thin, okay? Now let's fill it. The amount you're gonna put it here is to taste, okay? And I fold it like this, all right? After making all of them, we are going to put some tomato sauce in a tray to put all of these pancakes. It's gonna be like a lasagna, as you can see. Then put a little bit more of tomato sauce on top of it. I made this tomato sauce, okay, guys, but you can use like white sauce as well. Put some mozzarella on top of it, then take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, very fast, just so the cheese to be melted, okay? And guys, seriously, look at this wonder. It's amazing. Besides being super delicious, it's very beautiful. Make it at your house, then come and tell me what you thought about it. It's giving me water in my mouth. And this was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked it, this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super relevant for us. See ya!